This closet didn't look like this 2 days ago. Drop a like if you're making dad noises. So the issue with my daughter's closet, the one standing behind me, is really small. It was the old closet, had a door on it, shelf on top, clothes hanger rod. Super simple. Wanted to open it up, make it bigger, put a built-in cabinet below it with storage space, put multiple hanging rods up there, just maximize the amount of space as much as possible. And I think we nailed it. Started planning this project using software called SketchUp. I did that in my first video. It's where you guys can see me go through the plan phase. Again, went into all the details that I wanted and planned it first, before actually going into it. Started measuring everything, trying to minimize any waste. Project on a budget. It's not what this is about, but more of just being smart with your lumber. Lumber's not cheap these days. Using the 3D model, lay out all your cuts before you actually do them. A lot of cutting, a lot of prep work, making the drawer faces. These are rabbit cuts that I'm using on my table saw. So glued them up overnight, got them all nice and pretty, filled all the nail holes, started sanding everything down to get it ready for paint. So installing shelves, super fun. You can see me trying to squeeze into these tight areas, climbing up on top of it, looking like Spider-Man. Drop a like if you like Spider-Man. Made sure everything was level, checking level. Trimming everything out. You can see if, I'm putting on, it's like a 1x4 or 1x3.5 trim. Matches the house all around. The vinyl wrap, this is what I was most excited about. Unfortunately, it did show up late, so it did put me back a little bit. We're gonna set the bar a little bit higher for the finish, or how her closet actually turned out. Really cool, really easy to install. Use some heat to, I'm using my wife's blow dryer to just wrap the corners and make sure those corners wrap nice and easily. Super clean install. Super happy with the product. If you guys want to know what the product is, let me know in the comments and I'll drop you guys a link. Yeah, I think we covered all of it. A solution to this of a closet. Let me go to a big box store and just buy one off the shelf that you just install. It will function perfect. But that's not the point of why I started Built Not Bought. It's because we're about making memories, making legacies. My daughter is 18 months old. She's not gonna remember, me building it, but she'll grow up around the closet and saying, when she gets older, yeah, my dad built that. And you can't buy that. You can't put a price to that. And that's what this is all about. Riley. Look, I gotta show you something. Is that your doll? Look. Isn't that pretty? Do you like it? What do you think? Do you like it? Huh? No, you can't buy that. You can't put a price to that. And that's what this is all about.
Oh, there in the house, way down in New Orleans.